Hi everyone, we're going to continue working with order of operations. We're going to add in there some mixed numbers. You've already started working on them, but we're going to do a couple more problems together. So we have 5 1/4 divided by 1 1/8 minus 2/3. And what we're going to do is, okay, there we go. And what we're going to do is we're going to work with our order of operations. So if you notice, we have division and subtraction. So if we circle these two, we know that we have division and subtraction, and it looks like division comes before subtraction. So we're going to do division first. Remember, we do everything on the side. So here's my work. And we're going to do 5 1/4 divided by 1 1/8. And if we recall, we're going to do change our mixed numbers to improper fractions. We always do that first. So 5 times 4 is 20, plus 1 is 21. So we're going to write 21 over 4. Divide by 8 times 1 is 1, plus 1 is 9. So it'll be 9/8. So now we're going to practice our cross canceling. Actually, before we cross cancel, we have to keep it, change, and flip it because we have our division. So we're going to do keep it, change it, so change division to multiplication, and flip it. So 9/8 will now be 8/9. Now we can see if we can cross cancel. So it looks like our 4 and 8 we can cross cancel. So 4 goes into both 4 and 8. So 4 divided by 4 is 1, and 8 divided by 4 is 2. So cross that off. Now we have to look at 9 and 21, and you can find a factor that goes into both 9 and 21. 9 doesn't go into 21, but if you recall, if I do 9 and 21 and find my factor trees to find my prime factorization, here's my 21 and my 9, so 3 times 3, 3 times 7. There's my greatest common factor. Oop, there we go, which is 3. So that means 3 is what goes into both 9 and 21. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Oops. And 21 divided by 3 is 7. All right, so now we know that we were able to cross cancel. So now 7 times 2 is 14, and 1 times 3 is 3. So let's finish writing that over here. So 5 1/4 divided by 1 1/8 is 14/3, and we're going to subtract it from 2/3. Now, what's good is that you can keep it as an improper fraction until the very end. So when you got this 14/3, normally we change it to a mixed number. That's not our final answer. So because it's not our final answer, we can go back here and we can just solve them with improper fractions. So we can do it two different ways. You can do 14/3 minus 2/3, or if you wanted to make this as a mixed number, 14/3 is 4 2/3 minus 2/3. So you could do it either way. What's great is that they're both common denominators. We have 3 and we have 3. So all we have to do is 14 minus 2, which is 12/3. If we do it this way, 2/3 minus 2/3 is 0/3. And then you bring down the 4. So really your answer is 4. Here we have to simplify. 12 divided by 3, or 3 goes into 12 4 times. So either way, you get the same answer. So 14/3 minus 2/3 is 4. And there's your pizza. Remember to highlight. So this is what you do first. And then, of course, this is what you do second.